Just came back from Chili's. I went and got me a salad. I like the explosion salads, so I went there. My daughter Kayla, she went too with me, and she got her a salad. And I also got my son something to eat too, but he didn't want a salad. So we're checking the mailbox right now, and we're on our way home and eat our food. So I'm gonna show you guys the salad when I get home. I love this salad. I had mentioned it on my vlog channel. If you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, my link will be below if you would like to subscribe. But I'm not gonna be doing too many vlogs over here because I do a lot of vlogs over there. But we'll see what happens, y'all. But my salad looks like this. It have 4 sauces in here, y'all. I mean dressing. This is the explosion salad, chicken salad from Chili's, and it has quesadillas in it too. They put that on the side if you want that. But it looks like this, and they have chicken, you know. So good. I'm about to tear this up real quick. But I did my hair today, and I took the other braids out last night because I'm actually tired of braids, to be honest, but I just didn't know what else to do to my hair. So I did it like this. I ended up doing it like this. Really didn't want my hair like this, but